Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to download Windows 10 ISO file on Windows 10. So open Google Chrome. In the search bar type download Windows 10 ISO file and then hit enter. From the search results, click on the first link, which is from Microsoft.com. Click on it. It will open the window that is download Windows 10. On this window, just right click anywhere. Let's try this. So right click and click on inspect here. Okay, now it will open elements. Now we need to click on this icon, that is toggle device toolbar. So click on it. Okay, after that just refresh the page. It will take some time and this thing will take you on the download Windows 10 disk image ISO file page. Now close this. Okay, now just scroll down. You can read these things in the select edition. Expand these and select Windows 10 November 2019 update and click on confirm. After that select the product language, so select English International and click on confirm. Now as per your system type you need to download the file, so I have 64-bit system type. That's it guys, your problem is solved, you're good to go.